am I being searched and they got my license and shit?
Did you give him permission?
No, I mean, shit.
You can revoke. You can revoke consent at any time.
Hey, I don't want y'all searching my car, man. All right, bro. We'll get out of here. Okay. I don't want y'all searching my car.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. We have a video from Midwest Accountability and Illinois Tyrant News. Both of these guys are solid. They're great activists. They do this for all the right reasons. Before we watch the video, let me explain to you why this is a really important video to watch. Lawyers don't get involved in incidents until after the fact. When cop watchers or auditors are out there recording, they are the boots on the ground and they see what's going on. In this video, this man is standing outside of his vehicle. Cops are searching it, and the cop watchers tell the man that he can revoke his consent for the cops to search his vehicle. And when he does, the cops hop right out of the car and let the man go. This is why cop watchers are important, folks. This is why we have to be close enough to be able to see and hear what's going on. We can actually help the people out there. Make sure you guys go subscribe to both of these channels. I'll be dropping the original links. Let's watch this video. I'll be pausing for some comments and I'll give you my final thoughts at the end. Let's get right to it.
Traffic stop here. We are corner of California and Arcadia. They didn't pull the driver out. Mm-hmm.
What the hell is that? Is that the news people?
Yeah, we got the news out here for it now.
Okay, that's cool, man. Thank y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Whatever it is, because I ain't did shit, man.
We just stand idle and re-record. We don't get involved.
Why? Why am I being searched and they got my license and shit?
Did you give him permission?
No, I mean, shit.
You can revoke. You can
Anyway.
you can revoke consent at any time.
Hey, I don't want y'all searching my car, man.
All right, bro. We'll get out of here.
Okay. I don't want y'all searching my car. Come on, man. All right, bro. You go. Let us go, right? Okay. No, I mean, shit. If I had it, they're going to do it anyway.
You can revoke consent at any time.
Hey, I don't want y'all searching my car, man.
All right, bro. We'll get out of here. Come on
Okay.
back up.
I don't want y'all searching my car. Come on, man.
That's how that works.
Okay. Yeah. Have a good night. You don't have no fucking right. I mean, some shit. If I say no, y'all gonna punch the motherfucking No, I don't come surprise. I just moved up here. I don't have no fucking right, man. That's fine. Because if you tell them no, they gonna search your security. I just want to go home to my wife, man, and get the fuck on up out of here. You know what I'm saying? I'm just good. I appreciate it. I appreciate you do that. Right? When they came up with the dance lights and they looked at all them car anyway, that's pretty much the search.
As soon as he said I revoke consent, I don't want you searching my car, they stopped searching it.
All right, y'all too, man. Thank you, man.
See?
Yeah.
Know your rights, brother.
Yeah. All right, appreciate y'all.
Yes, sir.
Oh, y'all out here doing some type of survey or something?
Nah, we just record cops, man.
Hey, I'm glad to be a part, man.
Yep.
Yeah.
Be safe.
I don't know if you guys heard, but the guy thanked Midwest Accountability and Illinois Tyrant News for being out there recording. This guy knows that these cop watchers saved his ass. And even if he didn't have anything, the cops were still there harassing him, moving shit around his car, getting mud all over the car. Now, folks, what you're about to see is Midwest Accountability walk up towards the police cruiser, and this cop's gonna mention his channel name. But even when cops are acting like they're cool, I still don't trust them. I may be cordial with them, but I do not trust police.
What's up, guys?
What's going on?
Are you guys, what is it, Midwest Accountability or? We don't answer questions.
Well, who are you?
Huh?
Who are you?
I am Officer Hart.
Hart?
Hart.
Har?
Yes, that's me.
And what's your badge number?
My badge number is 1285.
1285.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yep.
Cool.
So we just saw different, couple different them pages. Midwest Accountability, Kilted Cop. I just didn't know if y'all was one of them. You guys been real friendly, I think, in the past. So I was just saying what's up.
Yeah, we just try to, be cordial and keep to ourselves and inform people of their rights. So
Is everybody usually pretty nice to you? Always?
not really. Not really.
Well, some people might feel a little, I don't know, defensive or something. All right, man.
Thank
guys
you.
have a good night.
Yep. There you go, guys. Know your rights. We record the cops. Make sure they're not violating nobody's rights.
Like they did just him.
Yeah. They searched him illegally.
Yeah.
Until we said something, then they stopped.
Said, you can revoke that. And he said stop searching. And they got out of his car.
Yep. All right,
That's all
guys.
it is, knowing your rights.
All right, guys. Catch you on the next one. See you.
All right, folks, let me point out what these guys did all in one video. First of all, they let the cops know someone is out there recording. You don't need 100,000 subscribers to save someone from getting their civil rights violated. All you need is a camera and an understanding of your constitutional rights. These guys deserve 100,000 subscribers simply for saving that man from further being violated by these cops. So make sure you go subscribe and say hello. I'll drop their links for you guys. Now, we know what we just saw in this video, but we don't know if he believed he had to give consent, because cops oftentimes coerce people into thinking they have to comply. In court, the conniving cop will say he asked for permission and it was granted. Coercion by police should be illegal, or at least a policy violation in my opinion. The Supreme Court allows cops to lie during investigation. I'm guessing coercion is included in that. Lawyers will tell you to keep your mouth shut and do not comply, but cop watchers will get out there and do the same thing and save people's asses while it's happening. These guys deserve to get paid for this. If you see any donation links on their channels, don't be afraid to send them some love. Freedom of press is part of the First Amendment, and these cop watchers flex that perfectly to save this man from getting his Fourth Amendment violated. Now that's what being a true American is all about. Alright folks, thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.